Our today's topic is on science. Describe an area of science, biology, robotics, etc., that you are interested in and would like to learn more about. You should say, which area is it? When and where did you come to know about this area? How would you get information about this area? And explain why are you interested in this area. Science is a vast field with many different areas of study. Some of the major areas of science include 1. Physics, the study of matter, energy, and the fundamental forces of the universe. It includes subfields like classical mechanics, electromagnetism, quantum mechanics, and relativity. 2. Chemistry, the science of the composition, structure, properties, and behavior of matter. It includes branches like organic chemistry, inorganic chemistry, and physical chemistry. 3. Biology, the study of living organisms and their interactions with each other and their environment. Subfields include genetics, ecology, microbiology, and zoology. 4. Earth sciences, the study of the earth and its processes, including geology, study of the earth's structure, meteorology, study of weather and the atmosphere, and oceanography, study of oceans. 5. Astronomy, the study of celestial objects such as stars, planets, galaxies, and the universe as a whole. 6. Environmental science, the examination of environmental issues, including pollution, conservation, and the impact of human activity on the planet. 7. Computer science, the study of algorithms, data structures, programming languages, and the design and analysis of computer systems. 8. Mathematics, although not a science in the traditional sense, mathematics is a foundational tool used in various scientific disciplines. 9. Psychology, the study of the human mind and behavior, including areas like clinical psychology, cognitive psychology, and social psychology. 10. Medicine, the field of healthcare and medical research, including specialties like internal medicine, surgery, and psychiatry. 11. Engineering, while not a pure science, engineering applies scientific principles to design and build practical solutions to real-world problems. 12. Social sciences, these include disciplines like sociology, anthropology, economics, and political science, which study human behavior and societal structures. 13. Neuroscience, the study of the nervous system, including the brain and its functions. 14. Material science, the investigation of the properties and applications of materials, with a focus on developing new materials for various purposes. 15. Biotechnology, the use of biological processes and organisms to develop new products and technologies. 16. Nanotechnology, the study and manipulation of materials at the nanoscale, often leading to innovative applications in various fields. 17. Environmental science, the exploration of the Earth's environment and ecosystems, with a focus on conservation and sustainability. Introduction. Although I am interested in several areas of science, here I would like to talk about psychology, which is all about understanding how our minds work and why we do what we do. I got curious about it when I took a psychology class in high school, thanks to my amazing teacher, Miss Avika Sharma. When and where I came to know about psychology. It all started in high school when I had this awesome psychology class with Miss Avika Sharma. She taught us how cool it is to explore why people think, feel, and act the way they do. How I learned about psychology. I started learning about psychology by reading books like The Power of Your Subconscious Mind by Joseph Murphy and The Art of Happiness by Dalai Lama, and articles that explained things in a simple way. I also watched movies such as Tare Zameen Par. This movie tells the story of a child who has difficulty reading and shows why it's important to recognize that people have different ways of learning. I also took online courses where experts made it easy to understand. And luckily, I had the chance to chat with real psychologists and visit a psychology lab, which helped me see how they study the mind. Why I'm interested in psychology. What's super interesting about psychology is that it helps us figure out why we're happy, scared, or why we make certain choices. It's like peeking into our minds. Plus, by understanding people better, we can be kinder and help them when they need it. Psychology isn't just something for textbooks. It relates to our daily lives, like why we get stressed or how to get along with others. So, I want to dive deeper into psychology to make the world a friendlier and happier place for everyone. Conclusion. All in all, this is the area of science that interests me a lot. Follow-up question. 1. Why do some children not like learning science at school? Some children might not enjoy learning science at school for a few reasons. First, they might find science too complicated or difficult to understand, especially if it's not taught in an engaging way. Second, if they don't see how science connects to their everyday lives, it can seem boring and irrelevant. Third, they might have had bad experiences with science, like failing a test or not getting enough help when they struggled. To make science more appealing to these children, teachers can simplify complex concepts, show how science relates to real-life situations, and provide extra support when needed. This can help spark their interest and make science a more enjoyable subject. 2. Is it important to study science at school? Yes, studying science at school is essential as it helps us understand the world around us, solve problems, and make informed decisions. For example, when students learn biology, they gain an understanding of how the human body works, including the circulatory system and how blood flows. This knowledge can be crucial later in life if they or someone they know ever faces a medical emergency. Also, it provides valuable knowledge and skills for various careers. 3. Which science subject is the most important for children to learn? The most important science subject for children to learn may vary, but a strong foundation in basic sciences like biology, physics, and chemistry can help them understand various scientific concepts. 4. Should people continue to study science after graduating from school? Yes, however, it is totally a personal choice. I think people should continue to study science even after graduating from school to stay informed about advancements and contribute to society's progress. Lifelong learning in science is beneficial. 5. How do you get to know about scientific news? I come to know about scientific news through sources like news websites, science magazines, documentaries, and social media platforms. These sources provide updates on scientific discoveries and breakthroughs. 6. Should the scientist explain that research process to the public? Yes, scientists should explain their research processes to the public to promote transparency and understanding. It helps build trust and ensures that scientific findings are communicated accurately. 7. What's the best invention in the past 100 years? The best invention in the past 100 years can be debated, but some remarkable ones include the Internet, smartphones, and medical advancements like vaccines and antibiotics, which have greatly impacted our lives. 8. What's the influence of science on human life? Science has a significant influence on human life, from improving healthcare and technology to addressing environmental challenges. It enhances our quality of life and drives innovation. 9. What can individuals do for scientific research? Individuals can contribute to scientific research by participating in citizen science projects, supporting scientific organizations, and staying informed about current scientific issues. 10. What influence can international cooperations in science bring about? International cooperations in science can bring about positive changes. Money and knowledge can be shared, which can help science grow faster. But they should always do it in the right way, following the rules and being fair to everyone. This makes sure that their actions benefit everyone and don't cause harm. Thanks for watching. Share and subscribe our channel for more videos.